In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts in Brevo. First, open your browser and go to the Brevo app. Once you're in, head to the CRM area. This is where you'll manage people and related records, so click CRM to open the workspace. From here, choose Import Contacts. Before we import, it helps to get oriented. You'll see several sections across the top: Contacts, Companies, Deals, and Notes. Click through each one briefly to understand where your data will live. Contacts are the people you'll email or call. Companies group those contacts by organization. Deals track opportunities, and Notes store important context. For this walkthrough, return to Contacts so we're working in the right place, then continue to move forward with the import. Next, you'll be asked how you want to bring data in. You'll see options to import from a file, copy-paste, or import from another tool. Each works, but to keep things straightforward, choose Import from a file. This is ideal if you've got a CSV or spreadsheet ready. Click Select your file or drag and drop it into the upload area. Once the file is in, confirm your file to proceed. Brevo will read the file and show you a preview so you can make sure it looks right, headers in the first row and columns lining up properly. Now, confirm mapping. This is where you match each column in your file to the correct contact field in Brevo, like email, first name, last name, phone, company, and so on. Take a moment to double check the email column especially, since it's typically the unique identifier. When everything lines up, confirm the mapping. Next, confirm your list. Choose the list where these contacts should be added. If you use multiple lists for different audiences, make sure you pick the one that fits. You may see a checkbox for options such as updating existing contacts or similar preferences. Select the checkbox as needed, then confirm your list again to lock it in. When you're ready, finalize your import. You'll be asked to confirm that your import adheres to Brevo's conditions. This typically means the contacts have given proper consent and that your data complies with applicable regulations. Check the confirmation box and then confirm your import to kick things off. That's it. Brevo will process the file and add your contacts to the list you selected. Larger files can take a moment, so feel free to refresh the contacts page to see the progress. Once complete, you can start segmenting, launching campaigns, or enriching records right away.